Kitchen organizer. Clear plastic holder is perfect for organizing all your home essentials. Used to store spice packets, tea bags, plastic bags, kitchen gadgets, medications, toiletries, deodorant, craft supplies, books, office tools, and more. Ideal for use in kitchen, pantry, cabinets, bathroom, bedroom, office, mudroom, craft room, and college dorm. Stick anywhere, works on metal, mirrors, glass, tile, fiberglass, and wood surfaces, just peel and stick. Durable, strong plastic construction holds up to 4.75 pounds and stands up to daily use. No mess, AFFIXX adhesive backing has a super strong hold and is damage-free, removes cleanly, and leaves no residue. Ideal size, organizer measure 3 by 6 by 5, perfect for your home. Organize your home with the iDesign AFFIXX Linus organizer. This sturdy organizer holds up to 4.75 pounds and is perfect for holding spice packets, tea bags, sponges, dishcloths, and more. Setup is easy. The AFFIXX adhesive backing has a super strong hold that works on metal, mirror, glass, tile, fiberglass, wood, and other smooth surfaces. When you want to remove your organizer, simply take it off the wall. Constructed of clear durable plastic, the AFFIXX Linus organizer will last for years to come. Measuring 3 by 6 by 5, this compact holder will fit perfectly in any kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, craft room, mudroom, or office. Top reviews from the United States. So helpful for organizing. I love these little doodads. We don't have a lot of convenient storage in our bathroom, and everything ends up on top of the vanity. I bought one to store my husband's razor and other shaving supplies, and I stuck it to the cabinet beside the sink. It worked so well, that I bought another one to hold my flat iron and hair dryer beside the sink, so they can always be plugged in, but out of the way. So easy and durable.